Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make easy and elegant bedside lamp. I usually start with sketching my idea. I will make it about 20 centimeters height and 15 centimeters wide. There is no need to be good at drawing. This is only a rough sketch to make my idea clear. It won't be presented in a public art gallery. This is how the base interlocks to the four sides. To make nice shade of light, you can put any pattern you want on each side of the lamp, and also on the cap. I will make a removable cap to be able to change the lamp. After sketching my idea, I'm going to design it, so let's jump to the next step. I use AutoCAD, but you can use any software you like. I designed in millimeter unit scale. I'll start with the lamp sides. The side will be 200 millimeters by 150 millimeters. Now I should decide what is the material thickness I will use. I'm going to use 3 millimeters MDF wood. I'll make a 2 centimeters by 3 millimeters interlock. With 2 centimeters social distance between them. Then mirror a copy of them to the other side, and move them down with 2 centimeters. I'm making a space for the electric wire to pass under the lamp. Time to make the base side. It will be 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. This is how it will interlock to the four sides. The cap will be the same size, with these pins, to make it lays on top. Here where the cap pins lay. Let's trim the unnecessary lines. Then make 3 copies of the side. Here we can add any pattern we want. This hole is for the electric wire, and the other 2 holes are for the lamp socket screws. These are two copies of the lamp design, with different patterns. Different colors are for the laser cutting order. Then save it in DXF file format. You can download the file for free. The download link will be in the description below. I cut them on my friend laser machine, but forgot to film this part. Let's jump to the assembling part. Let's assemble the lamp together. This is how I attached the lamp socket and the electric wire. I used this white PVC material to soften the light. I decided to try using these metal angles on the lamp corners. I think it will make it stronger than using the glue. I think it works. In this lamp, I changed the way its cap closes, and assembled it with glue. Please do as this mummy hand do, or you will be cursed. I'm kidding, you will be cursed anyway. In the next video, I will show you how I designed one of my best-selling designs on my Etsy store, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.